I always talk about like how I'm going to be like consistent and all of this stuff, but y'all, I can't be consistent to save my life.
Sometimes I'm mystery, sometimes I'm free, depending on my mood, on my attitude.
What's good, beauties? It's your girl ShelethiaTreNae, and this is another one of the infamous Where Have I Been videos. Surprise! I'm back and I'm back. So, listen, y'all. Listen. I'm gonna do my makeup. We need to talk, okay? We need to talk. Because I know I come back and then I leave and then I come back again and then I talk about like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be consistent.
Why the you lying?
And then I leave again and again and again and again. It's like a never-ending cycle. Listen, between life, family, work, your girl has been in a game of tug of war. Work pulling me this way, family pulling me that way, life pulling me this way. I can't catch a break, y'all. And I always talk about like how I'm going to be like consistent. Yeah, so like I always talk about like how I'm going to be like consistent and all of this stuff, but y'all, I can't be consistent to save my life. I'm working on it though. I took a break from YouTube, y'all. Like I took a break. I took what I call a mental break. You know, between school, I'm in school, I work military, and then I work my clothing line and other projects. It's just, you know, then I have a life, like I'm married. We want to go places, we want to travel. I'm young. Keeping up with all my friends. Then Kelsey and I are planning our ceremony for next year, and it's just so like, that's how I feel. But I plan to get back on this YouTube thing. Like I will never let that go, y'all. I know I am not as consistent as I should be, or as I could be, to be honest with you. But it's just so hard finding the time. The little free time that I do get, I want to rest, and it's just like, it's not enough hours in a day. Y'all ever feel like that? Like it's just not enough hours in a day. Oh yeah, subscribe, by the way. Welcome to my channel, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome in general. Look, I knew something felt off. Let me do this the right way. Let me do this the right way. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hey girl. Okay. God has been working in your girl's life, okay? The month of May alone has been like such a complete turnaround for me. Like I joined this challenge by a new YouTuber. Like she's not new, but she's new to me. I've never seen her videos or anything. I actually found her challenge through my favorite YouTuber, my hair twin. Her name is Ruthie Patootie, and hold on, I gotta put this on my neck. Ruth is actually her name, and she is just a very down-to-earth YouTuber, you guys, and she reminds me so much of what I aspire to be. She's so talented and so sweet. So you'll always see me like underneath her videos. And I follow her on Instagram. So on Instagram, she posted this challenge that another YouTuber was doing, and I'll put all her information down below. But she was doing a Seeking the Throne of God challenge and incorporating like fasting into it. And I tell you, I struggled on that challenge just a little bit. Just like some of the things that I set for myself to do I may or may not have done them, you know, to the greatest ability. It was a challenge, that's for sure. But here's what I did do. I gained so much more intimacy with the Lord, y'all, that, you know, I just feel him. I feel his spirit all over me. Everything that I do, everything that I say, when I wake up, when I go to sleep, it's just a great feeling. And I would not have been able to do that so soon, you know, establish that intimacy so soon without her help. So both of them, I'll put both of their information down below in the description box, so you guys can follow them. They're really good people, to keep, you know, keep your mental going, you know, challenge your brain. They're down to earth. It's not with that rah-rah stuff. They're just really good inspirational people. So if you're into that kind of thing, which you should be because you're on my channel, I will refer you to them. So there we go. Yeah, so the month of May has been really, really good for me. Kelsey and I just got back from Mexico. We went to Cozumel. It was a lot of fun. We actually went on a cruise with another couple, one of my friends from Basic Training and her husband. We had a ton of fun. We, I think I said this already, but yeah, we did a cruise. And next time I would like to fly straight in, just so that we'll have longer to spend there, because Mexico is beautiful. The people there were beautiful, and I just absolutely loved it. We just shopped till we dropped. That's what we did. And we had some food and Jello shots in the shape of a watermelon, y'all. It was so much fun, and I will insert a clip of Mexico here because I'm gonna put a vlog up. So here's a little snippet. So yeah, we went to Mexico, a lot of fun. Before we went to Mexico though, we actually made like a full trip out of it. We went back home to Georgia for Mother's Day to spend time with all of our mothers, because we have so many, like mother, stepmother, godmother, sisters, grandma, aunties. Everybody is a mama down in the South, okay? It takes a village. It takes a village, okay? So we got to go home and see a lot of family, and that was really, really, you know, dear to my heart, because we're so far away from home. And although, you know, we're just a hop and a skip away for a plane, it's not as easy, you know, getting off to go and see family with work. So I was very grateful to do that, and I will insert a fun clip of us singing Happy Mother's Day, because I'm also going to do a vlog of that trip too, so you guys get a little snippet of that too, and I will insert that here.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day. Woo!
So yeah, it was definitely a great experience being home and then traveling and just being away from, you know, the military environment, and just seeing like some more familiar faces, different vibes, you know, just getting a taste of back home down south and then other places as well. But I'm curious to know, you guys, we are like in our phase where we are ready to travel the world, you know, and if you guys know any places that you want us to go, or you would like for me to go, or you want to see me vlog about or talk about, or if you think there's an experience out there that I just have to do or have to see, feel free to comment that down below, because I am more than interested in knowing, you know, if you got the hookup. Drop that down below too. Let me know, because I want to know. I want to go. I want to have fun. I want to enjoy my life. I'm in my 20s. I'm in my prime. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. So let's see. I talked about Mexico. I talked about Georgia. I talked about traveling. I talked about what I've been doing. What have you guys been doing? Feel free to comment that down below too. You guys watch my stuff, but you don't ever comment. You don't ever say nothing to your girl. Look, I'm gonna contour. And before y'all come up here trying to judge me and tell me I'm doing it wrong or whatnot, I don't care, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Look at how much more exotic I look. Like, yes. I don't know where my lipstick is, so I'm just gonna use Carmex. I did my brows before I came on to this video. I actually did them in another video. I did a tutorial, y'all. I showed you guys how I do my brows from start to finish, like cleaning them up, everything. So be on the lookout for that video. Like, I do my own brows, everything, like from the beginning to end. I remove all the hair, not all the hair, okay. I remove like the excess hair around, so like waxing, threading, stuff like that. I do it on my own way, a less painful way, way less expensive. That's what I do. And I recorded that, and I did my brows. Like, I filled them in for you guys, so I did that as well. Before I let go, pull up and go chill out. I did the damn thing. Drew did Diana, singing and dancing all in the rain. Ooh, I just wanna have a good time. Turn around and this slide. Throw your ass to the right now. Ooh, bunny hop, drop, drop. Cross your legs, turn around and jump. Come to the left, let's glide now. Ooh, bunny down, drop it down low, 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 low to the floor. Now bring it up, clap and roll. Step on them, step on them, step on them, step on them, kick on them. Let go. Before I let go, before I let go, oh, before I let go, before I let go, before I let go, oh, oh, oh. Alright, so I'm going in with my spray. Y'all wouldn't even understand the sting. So I told y'all I just like removed hair from my eyebrows, so they're still a little sensitive to the touch, and spraying something on them just, it's like putting alcohol on them. Whew. Okay, so yeah, this is my natural beat that I'm giving you guys today. It was pretty quick, it was pretty simple, and yeah, so anyway. And I'm all done, all pretty. Everything that I use will be down below in the in the description box. Like I told y'all, I'm feeling a little off. It's been a minute, so bear with me, bear with me. But yeah, everything that I use on my face will be listed down below in the description box. So just go down there, pick out what information is useful to you, and my good deed for the day will be done because I helped you in some way, form, or fashion. So yeah, guys, I've just been busy, and I am doing what I can, okay? I am doing what I can. But anyway, I just wanted to come online, show my face, do a quick video for you guys, let you know that I have missed you guys and I care about you guys. Stay tuned for more videos from me. As always, be yourself, be untamed, and be beautiful. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.